Crypto.com Crow Coin holders, is $1 Crow Coin confirmed? We got to be talking about this today. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. All right, guys, we're going to start off here on crypto Twitter. Follow me at 333 Blacksea. I say a quarterly buyback and burn of Crow Coin will send us to outer space. Okay, and the reason why I say this is because really, we're just hearing bullish news, bullish news, bullish news. It is relentless when it comes to Crow Coin. And if you couple that with what's going to come into Q4, which is only a couple weeks away, I think that you can see that Crow Coin can make a big move to the upside. If you look at the technicals on Crow Coin right now, we are above 15 cents, which is a very important price level. I've been long since about 15.5 cents around this range. And really, we came above the sacred 212. We came all the way up to 40 cents and seeing a little bit of a correction, because that's really all this is a correction down from this huge impulse wave to the upside. Absolutely fine. Does not mean we're coming down to 5 cents or zero, nothing crazy like that. This is a perfectly normal corrective move here. I think it's right in line as well with us being in September, bearish Q3, leading up into potentially the most bullish time of the crypto bull market, Q4, the winter time, in the fourth and final phase of the bull market cycle. So right now, guys, like I said, I'm still in my long position. I've taken profit along the way, but really, I'm going to keep this position open. I have a stop loss set at 212 in case we see an invalidation of like a full drawdown. And even if we do, if I get stopped out, I would not be that against opening up another long position around that level, because I do think that if we were to break down to this, it probably would be a tap off of it, or maybe even a little bit of a bear trap below it, and something like that. This would be more accurate if it was like something like this. Right. But I think there's a less likely a chance that we do see that breakdown right now. And I think there's more likely a chance that we start to bottom out here and slowly start to make our move to the upside, make our next leg up to the beautiful, not only 40 and 50 cents, but the beautiful $1, guys. I think that is an appropriate level to be looking out for, especially if all this bullish news coupled with bullish really sentiment from like retail investors from the FOMC meeting coming on September 17th, Jerome Powell cutting the rates. It's going to cause a inflow of really just people that are feeling like risk on assets are in a much more favorable environment. And when you see that play out, you're going to see altcoins make a big move. So I'm very bullish, guys. I'm very bullish. If you guys do want to trade Crow Coin, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. We have a $100,000 deposit bonus to BitNext, as well as $10 for free when you sign up. We also have a 10% trade rebate and a $5,000 sign bonus to Blowfin. Take advantage of all these awesome sign-in bonuses, affiliate links. If you're trading or not trading, guys, these exchanges want you to use their platform, and they know the competition is tough, so they have a lot of lucrative rewards. Take advantage of them. So looking at Kronos, rank 20, we came all the way up to rank 14, down about 2.6% in the past 7 days, and up about 5% in the past 24 hours. We're catching a little bit of a bid. Today, the traditional market was pretty green, and it closed off. Like in the aftermarkets, it was pretty green, and crypto caught a little bit of a bid. And if you look at this, I believe we are still below 9 billion. Yeah, we're at 8.62 billion market cap. Guys, don't be surprised at all if we see this. Man, I still think that a 10x, I think $100 billion market cap is possible for Kronos, especially if we're seeing all these Crow Coin treasuries with Trump's Truth social media group company, and like, man, that could be a snowball. Like they did the first Crow Coin treasury. You could start to see other institutions do this. It's all game theory, and it could really snowball this, and really like adding another $90 billion to this might seem crazy, but it's really not. And if you also talk about potentially incorporating these quarterly burns, like quarterly buyback and burns that I was talking about, which in the 2025 Kronos roadmap, they talked about it. They talked about the quarterly burns. If you couple that with this, you could see the circulating supply coming down, the market cap going up, and it would really create the price to have exponential growth. Now, that's not financial advice, guys. I'm just telling you guys how I'm seeing this market. I've been trading for nearly a decade in the crypto space alone, and investing outside of that even longer than that. But I'm just telling you guys how I'm viewing this market. This is not financial advice at all. And if you look at Bitcoin right now, we're at like 111,500, basically pegged where we've been for the past couple weeks here. Bitcoin dominance is chopping around kind of breaking down a little bit, but I don't even want to say that because it's not really. And if you exclude stablecoins, we're basically at like 60% still. Yeah, guys, I don't think that Bitcoin dominance breaks down until like October, November, so be patient. But you look at Bitcoin, it looks like it's bottoming out, like we had a little bear trap put in, bottoming out. It's getting ready for Q4, and I'm gonna keep saying that. I'm gonna keep backing my thesis, and I think that we're gonna have altcoin season in Q4. I think that we're gonna see Bitcoin perform in Q4, and I think that we're gonna see the Fed cut rates, and it's going to create a much more risk-on asset favorable environment, and people are going to get excited. A Santa Claus rally with rate cuts, with quantitative easing, with money printing. You're probably going to see altcoins make a move. But guys, let me know in the comment section below. Do you think $1 Crow coin is confirmed? Is it good to go? Is it already priced in? Are we going to $1, or do we have a lot of road ahead of us? I think there is kind of a long road ahead of us, but it could happen very quickly. It could happen very, very quickly. Depending on really, who else is Crypto.com going to partner with? Who else is going to open up a Crow coin treasury? Who else is going to start accumulating Crow? What institution? It's really interesting to be thinking about. But guys, that's all I got. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel now. Check out all those awesome affiliate links down below. It really helps support this channel. Take advantage of the promotions. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.